Alright, troubleshooting gas logs. Had a lot of issues here, got it working now. Multiple things you need to think about is number one is making sure the key here is in line with the pipe. There's also usually one upstairs in the attic that you also need to make sure that it is turned on as well, because if you flip it sideways it's going to shut the gas off. So make sure upstairs it's in line. And also here, you need to check and the gas key there, make sure that that is turned left, lefty loosey, righty tighty. The gas key, let's see here. Gas key will kind of look like that, and you just put that in there to turn it. Again, you want to turn it all the way to the left. Make sure that this is in line. At that point, this is a spark light here. Make sure that this is turned on. It's got an off and it's got an auto. I'll leave it on. And then you have adjustment valve, all right, to adjust the flame. You can lower it or raise it. So I kind of got it lowered there. And then in order to turn this on and off, you have an off, a pilot, and off. Now, you have to, when it's in the opposition, you'll notice there's a little arrow here that should be in the off when you're not using it, and also making sure your pipe is turned off. So we're going to go ahead and try to make this happen. All right, I'll turn that off. If you notice in here, that's where the spark takes place. Let me see if I can get this to spark right quick for you. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me take the light away so you can possibly see the spark. See the spark? So we know the spark is working correctly, and even if the spark was not working, you could use a lighter to get it lit. So now we're going to try to get this thing lit again. I'm going to, and let's pretend this is off here. Make sure you get some light there. Okay, this is all the way off, and that's off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this back on. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to sit there and push this. You have to push it in, okay? Once you push it in, you'll go to the pilot, and there's a little arrow there. I'm going to push it in and then turn it over to pilot, okay? And you got to push it in, and you'll start hearing the gas. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but there's a little bit of hissing going on. I'm going to push this to get it sparked. Okay, great. I now have some gas, okay? I'm going to sit there and let that warm up for a little bit, keeping my finger pushed down again where it's on the arrow where it says pilot. I got it pushed in. I'm going to hold it in there for a few seconds to make sure it gets well warmed up. And then once I do that, and I feel confident about it, I'm going to keep this pushed in. I'm going to turn it left all the way to where it says on. And try to be careful not to burn yourself in the process. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Let me see if I can get it here. All right, there we go. It's got it turned all the way to the left. It should pop up, and then boom, we got gas. Again, I had to do some troubleshooting for my mom with her gas logs to get going. And again, you got the adjustment here, left and right. I hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.